Hey guys, it's Clay Horst with Oelo. I want to share a little bit about the Oelo story with you, as well as give you an exciting tour of our Colorado factory. Headquartered in Fort Collins, Colorado, we're central to our dealer network that spans both the nation and Canada. We have a 160,000 square foot facility at our disposal, and after this tour, you'll quickly see that we're no ordinary permanent holiday lighting brand. Let's take the tour. Oelo is part of a 60-year-old company here in Colorado, backed by nearly 30 years in the mission-critical lighting industry. Our story began over a decade ago when a bunch of us decided that we were tired of climbing on ladders and lighting our homes. We were surrounded by this amazing technology, and we decided to build a product that would enable you to never have to get on ladders again. As a result, we created Oelo, one of the first permanent lighting brands to hit the market. And we're one of the few manufacturers that have our own state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities right here in the United States. We have design engineers, laser technology, and a press brake at our disposal to help Oelo develop a wide array of channel variations to meet your every mounting need. One of the things about Oelo is because we have all this manufacturing capability right here in-house, that enables us to do custom colors that many other manufacturers don't offer. All right, let's head on over to our assembly area where we box all of our channel and other components and ready them for delivery. Possibly one of the most exciting things about the Oelo product lineup is that we offer two very distinct channels. One in the acrylic version is designed to keep the LEDs hidden during the day, facing out towards the street or the sidewalk. You don't see it during the day, but it's absolutely stunning at night. We also offer the aluminum downward facing version. This allows you to wash the walls with light. Probably one of the most interesting things is you can mix and match these two channels on the same project, giving you an absolutely stunning display. Another aspect to our amazing system is the Oelo cloud-based control. This control allows you to have those 16 million color hues at your disposal, but also controls every individual light independently. Every Oelo system offers a 5-year warranty and a 100,000-hour life expectancy, nearly double that of our nearest competitor. Besides the controller, the heart of the Oelo system are the LEDs that you see every night. They're IP68 rated, and they have the highest fire rating available. Oelo's goal is to ship orders in 2 days or less. We know time is valuable when the holidays are near, and our aim is to get it out so that you can get it up on your home before the holidays. Our commitment to customer satisfaction extends way beyond the sale. From our in-house team of professionals to our external team of professionally trained installers, we are here to make sure that your Oelo experience is nothing less than amazing.